Hello students. Student, in this video we learn perimeter and area of quadrilaterals. Okay? How many types of quadrilaterals are there? Rhombus, trapezium, square, rectangle, parallelogram, all are the types of quadrilaterals. Okay? Under that, first we study about rhombus. So what are the properties of rhombus? In rhombus, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in that case, and these are the two diagonals, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, and both the diagonals are intersecting at point O. And in rhombus, all four sides are equal. So in that case, if we have to find out the perimeter, the formula is 4 into side. And if we have to find out area, formula of finding area of a rhombus is half product of diagonals. If we denote the diagonals by d1 and d2, then area is half into d1 into d2. Clear? In case of parallelogram, property of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel, and the distance between two parallel sides is h. In that case, perimeter is 2, sum of adjacent sides is equal to 2, a plus b. These are the adjacent side. This measurement is a and this one is b. These are the adjacent sides. So 2, sum of adjacent side is the perimeter of a parallelogram, and if we have to find out the area, then base into height. Base into height. Next we move to trapezium. Trapezium, for finding out the area, ABCD is a trapezium. These two are the parallel sides. Okay, AB is parallel to CD, and the distance between the two parallel sides is h, that is height. So area is half into sum of parallel side into height. So half A plus B into h. A and B are the parallel sides. And if you have to find out the perimeter, it is equal to sum of parallel side plus sum of oblique sides. Sum of parallel side and sum of oblique sides. In case of quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral in which if we have to find out the area, what we are observing that this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, ADC and ABC. ADC and ABC. If such type of diagram is given in case of quadrilateral where this height is given, okay, this BF and DE height is given, in that case we use the formula of the area of a triangle. First we find out the area of the upper triangle or lower triangle, anyone, it's our choice. So when we find out the area of both the triangles and add it, we got the final area of a quadrilateral. So in this case, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle DAC is equal to half BE into AC plus half into DF into AC. When we solve, we get finally the area of a quadrilateral. Clear? But in this case, when height is not given and only two triangles are given and measurement of the triangles are different, all three sides are different to each other. In that case, again we first find out the area of any one of the triangle, either or upper triangle or the lower triangle, and by using which formula? When the sides are different, by using the Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula, we find out the area of the two triangles and then add it. We got finally the area of a quadrilateral. And for finding out the perimeter, we know in perimeter is the sum of all sides. So when we add all the sides, we are getting the perimeter of a quadrilateral. Next we move to hexagon. Hexagon is having 6 sides. Okay, hexa means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So in hexagon, perimeter is 6 into side and area is 6 into area of equilateral triangle. Why equilateral triangle? What we are observing that all diagonals, all vertex, opposite vertex are coinciding and intersect at point O. Okay, and each triangle which we are getting is an equilateral triangle, and the area of equilateral triangle we have learned, it is root 3 upon 4 side square. So there are total 6 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into root 3 upon 4 side square. When we solve, we are getting 3 root 3 upon 2 a square. So area of hexagon is 3 root 3 upon 2 a square, and value of root 3 is 1.732. Understood, student? So by using these properties of different types of quadrilateral, we start exercise 1b. So exercise 1b, question number 1a. The diagonal of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find its area, its perimeter, and the distance between the parallel sides. This is the figure of rhombus A, B, C, D. Okay. Diagonals are given 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So given D1 equal to 24 and D2 equal to 10 centimeter. First we have to find out area. For finding out the area of a rhombus, the formula is half into D1 into D2. So half into 24 into 10. 2 12s are 24 is cancelled. 12 into 10 is left, which is 120 centimeter square. 120 centimeter square. Now second we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is 4 into side. For finding out the sides, we take triangle AOB. जहाँ पे दोनों डायगोनल मिल रहे हैं वो आपका पॉइंट O हो गया. पहले हम ट्रायंगल AOB लेंगे. राइट एंगल कहाँ है? राइट एंगल एट O. AO is half of diagonal AC and OB is half of diagonal BD. So AO is half of 24, which is 12, and OB is half of diagonal BD, which is 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay. So in right angle triangle AOB, right angle at O, we use Pythagoras theorem. AO square perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. By using that, we get one side AB equal to 13 centimeter. And in rhombus, we know all four sides are equal. Therefore, perimeter is 4 into side, which is 52 centimeter. And third, we have to find distance between the parallel side. So area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Therefore, height is equal to area upon base. Area we got 120, base is 13, which is 9 whole number 3 upon 13 centimeter. Understood, student? Now question number 2a, find the area of a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equal to 10 centimeter and the distance between the parallel side AB and CD is 6 centimeter. This is parallelogram. Distance between the parallel side is 6 centimeter and AB is given 10 centimeter. We know that the area of parallelogram is base into height. So 10 into 6 is 60 centimeter square. Question number 3D, the distance between the parallel side of trapezium. ये पैरेलल साइड हो गई, इनके बीच के डिस्टेंस क्या है? 15 सेंटीमीटर दिया है. और मिडल पॉइंट एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मिडल पॉइंट ऑफ द ऑब्लिक साइड इज 20 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम ABCD इज हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इंटू हाइट. सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स क्या है? AB और CD पैरेलल है और इनका हाफ क्या है? ये EF. सो EF इंटू PQ. EF is given 20 and PQ is 50. So 20 into 15 is 300 centimeter square. Clear, student? I hope you understood. So up to question number 3 you finish in your mathematics copy, and in next video we see the continuation part of the same exercise. Thank you, student.